have got a big breaking news of the hour coming in. Zubeen's death probe has intensified further, and News 9 got the big exclusive news here for the viewers just joining us. News 9 has accessed the police report on the arrests that have been made in Zubeen Garg's death probe. Cops are now saying that it was a pre-planned conspiracy to show this death as an accident. Cops are also saying that this was pre-planned conspiracy based on Singer Goswami's statement. The questioning went on. Multiple arrests were made. Goswami, who happens to be the co-performer, was also arrested for questioning, and now he has said that it was a pre-planned conspiracy. It's a big breakthrough as far as the probe in the death of legendary singer Zubeen Garg is concerned. The witness has stated that accused forcibly took yacht's control. Accused Siddharth Sharma showed suspicious behavior in the hotel room as well. The police sources have also informed News 9 that Siddharth Sharma was staying in Zubeen's hotel room. Police sources also informed us that the witness spoke of conspiracy which was hatched before Zubeen's death. Cops highlighted the distressing details of Zubeen's last moments. They said that as Zubeen drowned, accused said, "Let him go." It's a big news coming in at the top of this hour, ladies and gentlemen. For those who have just joined us, News 9 has accessed the exclusive details coming in straight from the police sources for the viewers of News 9. Police is hinting that this was a pre-planned conspiracy to show Zubeen's death as an accident. They came to this point after questioning Goswami. We'll bring you more details with regards to the big exclusive news piece here that we are bringing for the viewers of News 9 as and when we get it. But as of now, the biggest breakthrough in the probe case of Zubeen Garg's death, the biggest twist in the ongoing investigation is that now the cops are saying it was a pre-planned conspiracy based on Singer Goswami's statement. Singer Goswami, Shekhar Jyoti Goswami is his full name. He was also there with Zubeen in Singapore as Zubeen went there to perform at the Northeast India Festival. Just a day before his performance, he died. Initially, it was being deduced as an accidental death. Some people were saying that it was due to scuba diving. Earlier media reports from the Singaporean authorities were also highlighting that no foul play or criminal conspiracy was part of the untimely death of Zubeen Garg. 2 times autopsies have happened, first time in Singapore, and after massive outrage here in India, the second autopsy was also performed. But now, the big news. We are learning from the cops themselves that witness stated accused forcibly took yacht's control. Accused Siddharth Sharma, the manager who's been handling Zubeen for so many years, has been told by Zubeen's own wife Garima to News 9 when we spoke to her, showed suspicious behavior in hotel room. When we earlier spoke to Garima Garg here at News 9, she also highlighted that Siddharth Sharma was pretty much controlling everything related to Zubeen, be it the rights of his music, be it the financial accounts, be it his travel calendar or performance calendar. And he knew about the fact that Zubeen is also epileptic and is on medicines. He recently got 4 seizure attacks. He was advised by the doctors that he should not go near water. So it was part of negligence from Siddharth Sharma's end, as it was quoted by Garima Garg when she spoke to News 9. Now cops are saying that Siddharth Sharma, the manager, was staying in Zubeen's hotel room. Witness Shekhar Jyoti Goswami spoke of conspiracy hatched before Zubeen's death. Cops spoke about the distressing details of Zubeen's last moments. Cops are saying that they have deduced from the investigation so far and the questioning that went on with those who were arrested and detained to dig out more details with regards to what exactly transpired there in Singapore. They are now saying as Zubeen drowned, accused said, quote unquote, let him go. Big news coming in. An exclusive news break here on Zubeen's death probe. The investigation is still going on. They received the big twist, the big information coming in straight from the police sources. Remember, the Northeast India Festival's manager, the event manager, Shyamkanu Mahanta, was also arrested. The FIR yesterday included murder charges, non-bailable, along with fine in it. Earlier, the charges was of culpable homicide. Later, it was updated to a criminal conspiracy. Yesterday, we got that information for you. On the left side of your screen, you are looking at the last video of Zubeen Garg. This is the very same location where Zubeen lost his life. Murkier details emerging with every passing moments. In the yellow box, you can spot Zubeen wearing a life vest and jumping into the water with multiple people around him. A yacht event was going on. So many people on the yacht, but nobody could rescue Zubeen. Later, after some point of time, we also spot Zubeen without a life vest. What happened in those moments? What led to the death of Zubeen Garg? Right now, the big update of the hour is that cops are saying that it was a pre-planned conspiracy. My colleague Digjyoti Lakar is joining us on the broadcast. Digjyoti, what more details have you received from your sources? It's a big breaking news that we are receiving here for the viewers of News 9.
Sakshi, from the very beginning, the people of Assam, they have been expressing their doubt over the death of legend Zubeen Garg. And everyone expressing their voice through social media by the hashtag Justice for Zubeen. So, by viewing we have seen that the way the investigation team that constituted by government of Assam, that special investigative team of CID, they are tracking the slow by slow the whole episode of the incident, and the way recently 2 days back they have added 103 of BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 103, that implies any murder ploy by more than 5 persons. So that has been well suggested by the statement of Shekhar Jyoti Goswami. Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, while he produced in the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court, the SIT team, Chief Investigative Officer Roji Kolita, made the appeal where the police claimed that Shekhar Jyoti Goswami said there was a conspiracy to show Zubeen Garg's death as an accident. Siddharth Sharma, who stayed with Zubeen in Singapore, behaved suspiciously for a long time because he arrived Delhi with the dead body of Zubeen Garg, but after arrival, he was missing for 3 days, and suddenly he appeared in front of one YouTuber. So his whole motive was suspicious, and people were pointing towards Shekhar Jyoti Goswami and Siddharth Sharma. Siddharth Sharma was his Zubeen Garg manager, long-time manager. He was with Zubeen Garg since 2014. Before that, Mr. Tarsem Mittal was there. Tarsem Mittal was Zubeen since 2001 to and 2014, when Tarsem Mittal started to handle the Bollywood artists in Mumbai. Then he handed over Siddharth Sharma as being manager, and whole music right is with Tarsem Mittal and Siddharth Sharma, which is a key issue again in debate. And as per Jyoti Goswami's statement, Sharma took control of the yacht from the sailor and putting passenger in danger. Sharma told NRI Tanmoy Phukon, who is arranged the yacht in Singapore, not to arrange drinks, saying he would handle it. When Zubeen was struggling to breathe, Sharma shouted, "Let him go. Let him swim." It was the sound we have listened behind the video that exposed on the very first day, and which is circulating by a portion, small portion, in a very mysterious way. And the way the video has been appearing and who is sending the video part is also looking by SIT team. And moreover, Siddharth Goswami claimed that Siddharth and Sam Kanu Mohanto poisoned Jubin and sued Singapore to hide it. He expressed, this is the most important thing, that Jubin Garg was poisoned. Jubin Garg was murdered through poison that is given by Siddharth Sharma and Shyam Kanu Mohanto. Sharma told him not to share yet videos with anyone. Yes, it even absolutely. It is come to know Sukalpa Roy. She is the lady who handled all the models of Shyam Kanu Mohanto Northeast India Festival, and one Mr. Roy, Raktim Roy. He was the manager of Shyam Kanu Mohanto's event. They have been asked each and everyone who were with them in Singapore not to share, not to speak to media, not to anybody regarding the episode of Singapore, what exactly happened. And they had thought that Singapore is a foreign country and they could easily manage themselves to get rid of Indian law. And this is the statement made, presented by Roji Kolija, Senior Superintendent of Police and Vigilance Cells, and Assam CID. She placed the CGM, and by viewing this statement and all those things, the CGM has ordered 14 days custody to SIT, which is the highest in Indian judiciary system. Sakshi.
Right. Digjyoti, two people were arrested, the bandmate and the co-singer as well. Do we have any word coming in from co-singer? Did she also speak about what exactly transpired there? Does she have any kind of details?
Even the co-singer, Amrit Prabha Mohanto, she was with Jubin Garg from day one, from Guwahati to Singapore. And she was in the night party also, previous night party. She was in the yacht also. And even everyone is expressing doubt that the video that has been taken during yacht party by none other than Amrit Prabha Mohanto, and she released in a small portion way by edited version only. And so she's also been arrested 2 days back, and her statement and her activities are also suspicious, Sakshi.
Also, Digjyoti, when we spoke to Zubin's wife a couple of days ago, she highlighted that Siddharth has been a trusted person of Zubin. He has been managing Zubin for so many years. He handled all the finances. He knew about his calendar. He used to travel only with Zubin all around the globe. Now he knew about the epilepsy of Zubin, that he was on medicines. He was advised by the doctors that he cannot go near water. Despite all of that, you are saying that he was the one who said, let him go, let him swim?
Yes, because this is a statement made by Shekhar Jyoti Goswami and moreover Siddharth Sharma, who is a old age of Jubin Garg. But he took away Jubin Garg's mobile. Jubin Garg's cousin brother, who is an additional SP.
All right, Digjyoti, thank you so much for joining us, providing us all the details. That's a big exclusive news break here for the viewers of News9. We'll continue to track the story very, very closely and provide you all the nitty-gritties of this case.